The magic happens at Magic Phil's 76. Magic Phil 76. It's where the magic happens. So welcome back to my channel. So I put a video up yesterday at around 10:30 p.m. And when I got up this morning, 4 private messages already asking me to do a full tutorial on the 4x4x4 cube. Fine, no problem. Let's do this. The resolution on the camera may be a bit weird. I don't know what the result will look like. I'm actually recording this on an iPhone Generation 1. Giving that a shot. But the sound's not bad because I got a mic now. So let's give this a shot. 3, 2, 1. Magic time. Magic Phil 76 will just simply amaze you. Ding! Great editing. So the first thing you want to do, I will presume that you know how to solve a 3x3. If you don't, we'll do it step by step. On the 3x3, the centerpiece is fixed. It cannot move. Meaning, the yellow will and always will be opposite to white, blue opposite to green, red opposite to orange. No matter how you twist it, it's always that way. So, on a 4x4, there is no centerpiece. If you take a look, all the rows split apart. So you got to know your color pattern. If you don't know your color pattern, you won't be able to solve this thing. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to solve all the center pieces. These 4 pieces here represent this piece over here, the middle one. So for the first 3 pieces is pretty easy. You're just moving stuff around and you're trying to get those 3 pieces together. The last one might be a little bit more tricky. I got to get the bottom left white piece in its spot. Right now, it's located on this face. I got to get this piece top right, opposite side. So bottom left, I'm going to bring this piece top right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to push these 2 whites out of the way, move it, and then bring back the white pieces I pushed out of the way. So now you figure it out your first center. Opposite to white is, and always will be, yellow. So on this side, I got to put 4 yellow pieces. There's already 1 in its spot. So let's take a look. Right over here. 2 pieces need to go up here. So I'm going to push that white one out of the way. Change sides. And then push back the yellow that I pushed out of the way. My whites are still good. And now I got three yellows on the proper face. I need to fill bottom right. I'm going to put this one top left. I'm going to push this to the top, change sides, and then bring it back together. Now I got my yellows done, and I got my whites done. Next thing I'm going to do, force a habit, white side to my right-hand side, yellow side to my left-hand side. I'm going to put all the blues over here. This is where the blues go. So basically, I got 1 piece that's already in its spot. I got a piece over here. I'm going to push that blue down, change sides, and push it back up. Now I got 2 pieces. My whites are still good, and my yellows are still good. Make a straight bar out of that. There's a little blue over here, so we can push that all the way down, no problem. Now I got 3. Where's the blue? It's not on top, it's not on the bottom. Oh, it's on the opposite side. So to make it easier for you, just bring it closer. And there. Now, it's easier to see. So I got to fill top left. I got to go bottom right, opposite side. Push the blues out of the way, flip it, and bring the blues back. I got my yellows, my blues, and my whites. Next thing, I'm going to turn the cube towards me, and I'm going to fill the red spots here. So I got 1 piece already in its spot. So what I could do, this one, same as this one. See that? Bottom left, bottom left. Push the bottom left down, change sides, and then push it back up. Now I got 2 pieces that are stuck together. I'm going to make a bar out of it. Where are the other 2 reds? Here they are. What I'm going to do, get them closer. It's easier. Now I'm going to put these reds over these reds. Push them down, change sides, and then push it back up. Now I got yellow, red, white, and blue. Opposite to blue is, and always will be, green. So green has to go over here, and the sixth color, orange, has to go on top. So I'll make a straight bar. These two greens, I'm going to push these greens down as per. Change sides and push it back up. As you are solving the fifth face or the fifth center, the sixth center will solve itself. So there you go. We got the centers done. Next thing you got to do on a cube, this is an edge. It's only one piece. See that? But on a 4x4, there are two pieces that form the edge. Now for the edges. There are two. Let's start with this one because it's easy to see. Orange and white. Edge piece. There's another orange and white somewhere on the cube. You got to find it. I'll show you both algorithms. The first one is the easiest one. So if you're a beginner at 4x4x4, use this one until you hit the edge number 11 and 12. 11 and 12 have to be done on another type of algorithm. This one's the easiest one. I'll show you this one for now. So orange and white. Keep your finger on it so you don't lose it. The other orange and white is right there. So this is what you want basically. Orange and white on one row. Orange and white on the other row. They're both on the center rows. One's on the bottom one, one's on the top one. If by any chance they look like this on the same row, yes, there is an algorithm you can do. But for now, we'll concentrate on the easy one. So if you do hit this way of seeing the cube, you want to get this one over here. I just push it on the top to the back. Then turn the back and give it 2 shots to bring it back to the front. Now they are on opposite sides. Now the easiest way to do it, you're going to match them up like this. You're slicing one. I got to protect this. See, now they're paired up, but I messed up everything else. I'm going to bring him to the top, get him out of the way. I just switched these two that were over here by an unpaired match over here. There's green and red and white and red. So I'm going to bring that where this one was, which was over here, and I'm going to re-slice the cube. So I fixed my centers, and I paired up my first edge. Let's do that again. So green and yellow on the same face, but now they're on the same row. So I'm going to put it to the top, to the back, turn the back, and bring it back to the front. Now they're on opposite sides. Bottom row, top row. Slice it, bring it to the top. Replace this with an unpaired. Bring it back and re-slice it. So my centers are good and my pair is right there. 2 pairs are there. Let's do that again. You basically got to do this 12 times. Well, 10. 10 with this algorithm. So let's do that right now. Let's do it again. Slice, up, replace, bring it down, and re-slice. See, by re-slicing, I did this. So up, turn, replace with something that's broken, and down. So basically, what I just did is I got all these paired matches done so far. Keep doing that maneuver for now. So slice, up, switch it with something that's broken, and back. Let's do white and blue. Doesn't matter what color you do. Slice. See, I can't go up because I can't replace. What do? You just go the opposite way. Up, slice it, down, and re-slice. Once again, bring this opposite side, slice, up, switch, down, and re-slice. Let's do that one more time with red and blue. See, I can't do it here because everything is paired up. I can't do it here because everything is paired up. What do you do in that case? Well, see this one over here? It's unpaired. Put it on top. It's not going to mess up anything. So now I got a broken match here. Slice it up, switch it down, and reslice. My centers are all good. And if you take a look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10 of the 12 edges done. Now you have to do it this way. There's another algorithm. They have to be on the same row. Green and red on the same row. Yellow and blue, same row. If it looked like this, you're never going to finish it. Even if you slice it, where are you going to put it? You can't switch it out with anything that's broken. It's impossible. So I'm going to bring it back the way it was. So here's the algorithm. I'll do it slowly so you are able to see what I'm doing, because if I say it at the same time, I'm going to screw it up. I'll try. Slice. Right. Up. Right inverted. Front. Right inverted. Front inverted. Right. And reslice. I just took the pieces that were like this and I stuck them together. Now, this is now at a state where a 3x3 is when it's mixed. This was scrambled and unsolved. Now it is unscrambled, but is still unsolved. What I mean by unscrambled, all my center pieces are together, all my edge pieces are together. Now you solve it like a normal 3x3. So, solving it like a normal 3x3. This is how I do it. It'll be a quick one because you all know how to solve a 3x3. If you don't, well, I got videos on it on the internet, on YouTube, mentioning a beginner way to do it and an intermediate way to do it. Just check out those videos and you'll be able to solve the cube no problem. I don't know if we're going to hit some parities. If we do hit some parities for the yellows, just look at the video I got out there online. There are 3 types of parities. If you do hit the parities, you simply go check out those videos and the answers are right there. Because right now I can see that chances to hit a parity is might be good. We'll see. Yep, it's good. No parities for the yellows. So let's see if I hit the other parity, which is these 2 being flipped upside down or these 2 being flipped upside down. Maybe they are, maybe they are not. We'll see. There you go. It's solved. So if you do hit the parities, simply go check out yesterday's video. And from there, you'll see how to flip these edges upside down, or how to flip these colors, or how to flip these colors. Oh, I hit the camera. Sorry about that. Or how to flip these 2 when they're upside down. Like this one over here, this one over there, this one over here, this one over there. It doesn't matter. Just check out yesterday's video and you'll have all your answers. If you have any questions whatsoever, just let me know. If you want to have fun and check out some magic tricks, go check out MagicPhil76. It's a YouTube channel. My brother owns it. He's having fun doing magic tricks. He is very, very good. It's not his day job, but he could do it as a day job, no problem. Check out MagicPhil76. There's his YouTube channel. If you want to hire MagicPhil76, just give him a phone call. If you got a company or a school or an event, he will do some magic tricks to make the evening more pleasant. Say on a business meeting. That would be weird though. Anyways, MagicPhil76, check him out. If you take a look at the back of the card, hopefully. So, private parties, corporate parties, weddings, barbecues, funerals. Anyways, Philip Peltier set at gmail.com. Check him out, MagicPhil76. Awesome. The magic happens at MagicPhil76. MagicPhil76. It's where the magic happens.